Hey there, so I wanted to send you a quick video, and actually I'm asking you a favor. I really appreciate it that if you could go online, and we'll make it very simple for you. So you're getting this video in an email, but in this video, I forgot to ask you, is there going to be a link?
There's going to be a link, a Google link. So not Zillow, none of that.
It's Google. Okay, cool. Hey there, Kenny Simpson with the Simpson team. I wanted to send you a quick video and actually ask you a favor. In this email.
Welcome to my world.
Hey everyone. Hey everyone. Hey everyone. Hey everyone. Hello. Hey. Hey there. So I wanted to send you this quick video and actually ask you for a favor. In the body of this email, there is a link, and you can go ahead and click it. We make it very simple and easy. I would truly, truly, truly appreciate it, me and my team, if you could leave us a review. Hopefully it's a 5-star review. Let us know about your experience. Hey, if maybe you had a challenge and we overcame it, or maybe you fell out from somewhere else and we got it done, or maybe we closed a loan in 5 days, or maybe it was a tough loan and we got through it together. Whatever it is, maybe just the positive experience about me or people on my team, we'd really appreciate it. Reviews mean the world to us. We learn from them. Also, a lot of new clients come in, they read the reviews, so that helps them whether they choose us or not. But I would really appreciate if you can go on the email, click on the review link, and go on there and fill out a review. Thank you so much for your business. Thank you so much for your time. We truly appreciate it. And if I can ever help you or anybody, family, friends, associates, please reach out anytime. Talk to you guys soon.